I'm using Lipton onion soup mixed in this recipe. I know it's real good when cooking a roast, so I figured I'd try this. 1 packet of Lipton soup mix. Stir that in real well. And 2 cups of water. Excuse me. I'm going to stir that up real good and bring it to a boil. This pressure cooker is stainless steel. A lot of them are made of aluminum. One that I have, a Presto. I can also can like 4 pints of leftovers, or 4 pints of whatever I want to put up. Okay. Next, we're going to put in the vegetables. We've got potatoes, carrots, celery, and onion. I think I'll save the potatoes for last to put in. I really don't want to do it that way. I don't want it to flatten off onto me or burning me. I may have cut up a little bit too much potato. Maybe not. I think it will all fit. Good. Alright. The water is almost to, all it is to the top of the vegetables. It doesn't quite cover it. Okay, so now we're going to put the lid on. Just make sure you line up the arrows. Okay. Handles line up perfectly. And this. Using the big burner just for convenience, but it does make the handle get hot. Okay, we're waiting for this to come to a boil and steam just start coming out. this does come with extra O-rings for these, and probably the inside of that. Oh, and that. And an extra gasket for the inside of the lid. Not all of them do that. At least back in the day they didn't. So I don't know how long this, when I pause this, after it gets to where it's at pressure, I think I'll be able to keep it running until it gets to pressure. And then I have to let it cook for 15-20 minutes, I believe. Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes on high pressure. And I don't know if my phone will stay on pause for that long. If not, I will take a picture of the final product, the final stew. Yeah. I guess I need to get used to talking on video. If any of you out there have any recipes that you could share, recipes for two, for this small pressure cooker, I would love to see what you have. Now on the pressure cooker it says Peterboo, the name of it. So, okay. All right, we've got steam. I'm going to take this full weight, put it on there. I see you get some steam coming out of there. And that will be the indicator as to the indicator telling you that it is at pressure. There's a little valve in there that will pop up. Oh, sure does smell good. Kind of excited to use this today. I've been searching and searching for just small recipes. It's just my husband and myself. And this is probably going to be dinner for both of us tonight and dinner for him tomorrow. There's water leaking out of there. Huh. Well, it's trying to come up. It may not be lined up properly. Oh, maybe that's as far as it goes. Okay. That thing, that's because it's too high pressure, so we need to turn it down. Let's tap it a little bit. To let some of the pressure out. Just do small tap. Don't want to get burnt by it steam. And a little bit more. Okay. Alright. Now there's how you want this thing to be dancing. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. No. I don't think you can try to see it. It's just going in a small, going slowly, going around the rosy. So, I'm going to set the timer. And it said 15 to 20 minutes. I am setting it at 16 and a half. And while this is cooking, I am going to pause the camera and hopefully I will be able to continue the video when it is done. I said if not, I will take pictures of the final product. Talk to you later. Alright, just let you know, the pressure did build up a little bit higher again, so I did have to turn the heat down again. So, and I guess this is a good reason to help keep the video going. Alright. Okay. The timer went off. So I'm going to turn the heat off on the stove. But now we need to let the heat, or the pressure release, we need to let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. And after that, I can release whatever pressure is left. And yeah, just 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. And then we will see how the stew turned out. Be back soon. Okay, the timer went off. And actually the pressure valve did go down a couple minutes ago, meaning that the pressure inside was at a safe level that I could open it. Since I have lots of experience with pressure canners, both big and small, I do a lot of canning. Thought about opening it a couple minutes ago, but that wouldn't help anyone that is a first-time user of a pressure canner or a pressure cooker, excuse me. So I waited the 10 minutes, and now let me just hit this a little bit and release the rest releasing the pressure. When it gets to a point where you feel safe enough, you can just pull this off and let it release. We're not going to open it until it is done releasing steam. Oh, I guess I was wrong. I thought it went down. But I just heard it go down now. So, anyways, all good. Now, we get to open it up.
Well, I know it's rice, but this came out absolutely perfect. It was success rice, but still, I want to take it easy on this. There's a lot of butter in there, water, salt. Let it boil on the stove. 7-8 minutes, cooked just fine. So, got me pretty happy with it. This is definitely interesting because you can pull this up to release the steam. Make sure you're using something, or you can use tongs to hold it up. You just stay clear of the steam because it will burn you. But outside of that, I'm pretty happy. So I'm having some dinner. I like this. I'm going to use it a lot more.